Alright, what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to take a batch of books and change their location. And so for this video we're going to be changing the location from Hightower to Gillabo. And what we're going to do to begin is click on Admin and Manage Sets. And I've already created a set called Change Location to Gillabo Hall for just this purpose. And this is an itemized set that contains physical items. And we're going to click on the ellipsis and click on Edit and click where it says Add Members to Set. And you're going to search by physical item and barcode. And so we're going to just begin scanning the barcodes. And to add these to the set, you have to place a check mark in the box and click Add Selected. And I'm going to scan the next one and do the same thing. And so on and so on. And you'll notice that the current location is Dorothy W. Hightower and second floor stacks. So that's the library and the location. Alright, I'm going to add one more. And you'll see you get a message that says that the selected item has been added. So if this is the last item that we have to add to the set, the next thing we're going to do is go back to Admin and click on Run a Job. And you'll have a selection of jobs that you can run. And we're going to select Change Physical Items and click Next. And then you have to select the set that you're going to run the job on. So that is, again, Change Location to Gillabo Hall and click Next. And you'll want to select whether you want to make the change permanent or temporary. So in this case we're going to make it permanent. And we're going to select the new library, which is Gillabo Hall, and then you have to select the location. So we're going to select the stacks location. And the other important thing is you're going to need to place a check mark in this box here. If we had a temporary location on the item, then you would want to place a check mark in the Remove Temporary Item and possibly also the Remove Temporary Library and Location as well. So you can also change the item policy and material type and all of these other things while you're running the job. So this is all we're going to do is change the library and the location and make it permanent. So we'll click Next. This is a summary of what's going to happen. So you see that I have added 12 books to the set, and the new location is going to be Gillabo Hall. When I click Submit, it's going to give me a pop-up message that tells me that this action can't be reversed, and you want to click on Confirm. And you'll see that the job is running, and you can click Refresh to see if it's finished, and it is. It usually doesn't take too long to run these, and you'll see that the job completed successfully. And we can take a look at the job report and see that it processed all 12 records and there are no exceptions. So if we go back to our Manage Sets, we can take a look at the members in the Change Location to Gillabo Hall set and see whether or not it did in fact change the location, and it did. So the new library is Gillabo Hall and the location is the Gillabo Hall stacks. Alright, and then at this point, if you check all these and it made the changes correctly, then what you're probably going to want to do is go back to Admin, Manage Sets, and you're going to edit the set. Oops, let's see, I want to go back. You want to go to Members, and you're going to want to remove the members from the set so that we can use this again in the future, and it won't be pre-populated with items that we don't want to make any changes to. So we're going to click on Select All and Remove Selected. And you get a message saying that the selected items have been removed, and you want to go ahead and click Done. And so now we have a empty set, and we're ready to run the job again if we get another group of books that need to be transferred to a different location.